OXYFLEX MF1100 is a membrane diffuser with diverse specifications and installation options. The extraordinary specifications and well-known reliability define standards in modern aeration technology. Therefore, the OXYFLEX MF1100 is the best-selling diffuser within the Supratec product range. The base plate, made out of fiberglass reinforced polypropylene, is completely enclosed by a special molded membrane, hereby ensuring a reliable and durable sealing. EPDM membranes and polyurethane membranes are both available. These different membrane materials, as well as the perforation, can be adapted to meet the project-specific requirements. The two-piece frame consists also of fiberglass reinforced polypropylene and is merged together by sliding from both sides. In the final position, the two frames snap together, ensuring a safe connection. OXYFLEX MF1100 Type B is installed directly on rectangular pipe with welded stud bolts. In version AS, the diffuser is supplied with factory-welded clamp saddle for installation on round pipes. The clamp saddles are available in different versions and can be selected for different pipe outer diameters depending on project requirements. For an easy and quick modernization of existing tube diffuser system with lateral boreholes, OXYFLEX MF1100 with included lateral adapter version SA can be used directly without any further required adaptations on site.